Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to scan a QR code in Amazon Pay. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, open the Amazon app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. From the home screen, go to the Amazon Pay section. Inside Amazon Pay, open the Pay at Store section and tap on Scan and Pay. This will open the Amazon Pay UPI page. From there, you will see the option to scan a UPI QR code using your phone's camera. You may also see options to pay contacts, enter a UPI ID manually, or access your saved payment methods depending on your account settings. Next, point your phone's camera toward the QR code you want to scan. Keep the QR code inside the frame until Amazon Pay detects it automatically. Once the QR code is scanned, the payment details will appear on your screen. Enter the amount if required and confirm the payment using your selected payment method. After the payment is completed, you will receive a confirmation inside the app. That's it. That is how you can scan a QR code in Amazon Pay. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.